are 3 months he said I will be invited. Prophesy like the son of nature.
Uyu mwaka uzokumvikana.
Now today you're gonna be heardable.
Uyu mwaka uzokumvikana.
This is gonna be heardable.
Stand up. This is a miracle. Ibaze n'umuririmbyi.
You are the
Ariko
singer.
yavuga ngo
But you say
azorondera na Kevin.
you're gonna see Kevin.
Amubaze bimwe bimwe mu bikorwa yagiye abona nkoreshwa n'Imana.
You're gonna asking Kevin among the services he saw God use.
Yes. Kugira ngo
Papa, come on. Come on, Papa. Papa,
okay, so
you are too much, Papa. You are too much.
Jesus.
nagomba meze prophecy.
Nilitaka nimalize prophecy.
Nachembona Enoch.
Niliona Enoch.
Bonye Enoch.
Napona Enoch.
Bonye Enoch kuri iyo ndirimbo.
Muyonyi.
Imana imbwira ngo Enoch ariko aratrava indirimbo. Muri iyo ndirimbo ariko arakora. Ni indirimbo ivuga ibikorwa vy'Imana.
Ni nyimbo inasema kazi za Mungu.
Yari yumviriye kuza kumbwira ngo mbega daddy arica ninaririmba indirimbo ivuga ibikorwa vy'Imana ngaca mvuga ibikorwa Imana igukoresha nawe.
So I'm gonna sing this song that broadcasting what God is doing, what God uses you.
Now because of time
Kukikibazo cy'umwanya.
kandi iyo ndirimbo izogushikana kure.
The same song gonna reach you so farther.
Stand up. This is a miracle. Ibaze n'umuririmbyi.
You are the
Ariko
singer.
yavuga ngo
But you say
azorondera na Kevin.
you're gonna see Kevin.
Amubaze bimwe bimwe mu bikorwa yagiye abona nkoreshwa n'Imana.
You're gonna asking Kevin among the services he saw God use.
Yes.
Kugira ngo
Papa, come on. Come on, Papa. Papa,
okay, so
you are too much, Papa. You are too much.
Jesus.
some powerful God. Nitkokomera Imana yabashiga hera.
Let's give better clap to Jesus.
So my son,
Mungu wanje.
uyu mwaka uzokumvikana.
Now today you're gonna be heardable.
Uyu mwaka uzokumvikana.
This is gonna be heardable.
Uyu mwaka uzokumvikana.
This is gonna be
Uyu mwaka
heardable.
uzokumvikana.
This is gonna be
Uyu mwaka
heardable.
uzokumvikana.
You'll be
Uyu mwaka
heardable.
uzokumvikana.
You'll be heardable.
Uyu mwaka uzokumvikana.
You'll be heardable.
Nawe uzohezagirwa mu izina
And
ryawe.
you'll be blessed in the name of
Uyu
Jesus.
mwaka uzokumvikana.
You'll be heardable.
Mwagurutse meze kumukoro.
So stand up. I'm gonna finish to mop you.
Kuko
For
hariho ukuntu wagabuye umwaka.
it's how you ended. You
Uvuga ngo
divided
mu
in
mezi
year.
atatu ya mbere ugomba
In
gutravaya.
the first 3 months you just wanna work.
Amezi atatu akurikira ugomba gusohora.
In the 3 months you just wanna broadcast.
Amezi atatu akurikira ugomba gukora ama evenema no kumenyekanisha
3
indirimbo
months you
cyane.
just wanna do something first to broadcast your song.
Amezi atatu ya nyuma uvuga ngo aho uzoba ndiko ndatumigwa apana gusoka mu evenema nakoze.
The last 3 months he said I will be invited. Prophesy like the son of nature.
Naje ndi determine ndavuga ati no musengeza gukorerwa na papa wanjye. Papa mundo turankorera kenshi ariko ndakeneye today ibi byuguruke papa ingabire iri muri jewe ariko amabizitizi papa. Papa
I say
please papa ingabire iri muri jewe.
mabonye ko ubu sigaye nanga mishwara iriko yasha.
Now I give the handkerchief with the sword.
Amashko mana twicara twige.
We'll be seated, they're gonna learn something.
For God so loved the world, that he gave his only Son, so that whoever believes in him shall not perish, but have eternal life. But without faith it is impossible to please God, for whoever comes near God must believe that God exists, and that he rewards those who diligently seek him. Our God is love.